Hi everyone. This is a video that I'm excited about. It's definitely more for the technical folks. This is not for somebody who's just more of a business user, because this is about calling an agent AI agent using a webhook from an external uh, application. And so, for example, I have this agent, which basically, so let me show you what it does. It takes a URL of a YouTube video, then converts it into a transcript. So this part everybody's done. And then from the transcript, I'm basically saying, return a title, a description, and some tags for that particular video. And what I want to do is basically go, so here I have a video. If you look at it, my title and my description is very lame. And I want this to be better. And so what I want to do is basically take the URL of that video and I want to pass it to this agent, and then it'll return a better stuff. Now, I can do this by running the agent through the UI in Agent AI, but the problem with that is I have to do it one by one. Well, what I want to do is to be able to do it through a loop. And ideally, I want an application that I've written that goes to YouTube and pulls in a list of all my videos, and then one by one it passes it through Agent AI, and Agent AI responds with a response that it then takes and it updates. So the whole process can get automated. And so I kind of built a whole thing for that. But just to show you how this back and forth works is when you now go and click on the trigger section, it used to be that you just had the manual option. Now you have this option to do webhook, and when you check it, it gives you a URL which is unique to every agent. So you just copy this URL, and then here, instead of saying out, just replace this text with your text for the video. And so all you have to do is in any application that can post to a URL and pass inputs, you'll call it, you'll get a response back with information from the agent. And so here, what I'm doing, I'm using Postman, which is a very common tool that people use to just test uh, post URL. So this is the URL, and this is the out video URL. This is the video that I'm, passing. And if I now hit send, what you can now see is that it's going to go send that information to the agent, and the agent is going to run, and then it's going to get a response back. And so here you can see title, how to use ChatGPT for product outcome mapping, quick business strategy guide. So I'm going to take this and put it there, much better than my title. I can go back and I can say what's the description, copy that. Again, way better than what I could do. And I don't even know where the tags go, but I assume there's some place to go put the tags, but the tags are something which is available through the API, so I was able to go do that. But what you basically see here very quickly is that now from outside Agent AI, I can basically call an agent, they'll get a response, and then go to update. I actually wrote a full script here in Google app script, all using ChatGPT, which basically goes, and what it does is it connects using Google's APIs and all of that stuff, but it's calling that webhook with the URL, gets the response back, and then parses the title, description, tags, extracts all of that, and then for everything it just goes, does this upload, and it automatically goes and uploads the information. And so I was able to build one which went, and you can see here I was able to run it on all my videos in this playlist. And so there were 22 videos that I was able to just pass on, and it just got the response, extracted these three things, updated that, and boom, my videos. Now then the next video did the same thing, updated it. So 22 videos I was able to run through my little application, all because I was able to use the webhook. Hopefully, those of you who are into more automation using other tools will find this useful. I definitely want to tell you that this is a bit more technical.